Welcome to online classes. Up to 6 question answer already over. Now please open page number 22, question number 7. Question number 7. Find expressions from the text that tell us the following about Ramanatha. There is given some description A, B, C, D, E, and correct answer you have to search out from the story, and the right side you have to write the answer. But it is not possible to write in your book. You just go through the question, then you can write the answer against 7A, B, C, D, E. Find expressions from the text that tells us the following about Ramanatha. 7A. He was determined to find the magic potion. 7A. He was determined to find the magic potion. And right side you have to write the correct answer. So you can write the correct answer in your homework copy. He spent, S-P-E-N-T, spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. 7A, the correct answer, he spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. 7A question, he was determined to find the magic potion. It is already expression is there. So correct answer from the book, it is here already, I told you. Again, just listen. He spent all his time trying to learn more about this potion. Or in place of this potion you can write magic potion, no problem. So 7A already over. Now go for 7B. He felt very happy when Mahipati said he knew about the potion. 7B. He felt very happy when Mahipati said he knew about the potion. It is the expression. Now you have to write the correct answer from the book. Within quotation, tell me. Already you can see, go through the book, you can find there, tell me, exclamation mark, within quotation, tell me. Then insisted Ramanatha, not believing his luck. You can find out page number 18, after second para, here is telling, tell me, insisted Ramanatha, not believing his luck. Page number 18, from downside 1, 2, 3, 4. Downside, above 4 lines, here already mentioned. Tell me, insisted Ramanatha, not believing his luck. It is 7b. C. 7c. He began to remove all the weeds from his land. He began to remove all the weeds from his land. You have to write the right answer from the book. He started cleaning his large field which had been lying empty all these years. So, question number 6, he began to remove all the weeds from his land. He started cleaning his large fields which had been lying empty all these years. Now question number D, 7D. He looked after his banana plants very well. 7D. He looked after his banana plants very well. From the book you have to write the correct answer. He tended them carefully. He tended them carefully. Tended, T-E-N-D-E-D. He tended them carefully. It is the right answer. 7D. Now 7E. He learned a lesson from the sage. He learned the lesson from the sage. The right answer, Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words. You can go open page number 20, last line of the story above. You can find out Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words. It is already mentioned. It is the answer. Again, 7E. He learned a lesson from the sage. Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words. Now, I refer question number 8. Rearrange these sentences in correct order to tell the story. Means here the answer already given, some points up to L. You have to choose the from 1 to 12. Write down properly. Here you can find A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. From this story, you can find out the right answer. L. Ramanatha's father died and left him a lot of land. Number 1. I. Ramanatha did not look after the land because he thought there was a magic potion but could turn anything into gold. Number 2. Number 3, 8b. He spent so much of his time and money trying to find this potion, that is why Madhumati became worried. Number 3. Number 4, the right answer, 8f. One day a famous sage called Mahipati came to their town. Number 4. Number 5, you can mark it as 5. 8e. Ramanatha asked Mahipati if he knew about the magic potion. 5. Now 8a, you have to mark it 6. The sage replied that he did know about the potion and told Ramanatha how to get it. 6. Now K. Ramanatha went home and began to work on his land. 7. 8. G. He cleaned it and planted many banana trees. 8. 9. You can go J. For 6 years during the winter months, he collected the dew that settled on the banana leaves. 9. 10. 8D. He took the bottle of dew to the sage, but when he tried to turn something into gold, he failed. Number 10. 11. H. Then Mahipati appeared with all the gold then they had made for selling their bananas. 11. Number 12. Ramanatha realized what happened and from that day on worked even harder on this banana plantation. Number 12. So 8A 6, 8B 3, 8C 12, 8D 10, 8E 5, 8F 4, 8G 8, 8H 11, 8I 2, 8J 9, 8K 7, 8L 1. That is the end of the lesson.